welcome back to another episode of Andvaris and A-Rise IBO. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about some of the improvements and upgrades that we have made to our sister company website, wahep.com. So as I'm sure some of you have heard, Arise has increased their PC requirements. In doing so, we have upgraded all of our equipment at wahep.com. That's our work-at-home equipment provider website where we cater to all customer service professionals who would like to buy a PC or equipment that exceeds all of Arise requirements. Alright guys, let's go over some of our new equipment. Let's get into it. Let's go. Our Intel i5 core processor comes with 3.1 gigahertz. It comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 160 gigabytes of hard drive space. That right there exceeds all of Arise requirements. Using this computer right here, you wouldn't have any problem with any clients or programs within the Arise network. Now, some of our newer updates to the website have been being able to increase or optimize the computer you're purchasing. So we've given you the chance to go ahead and increase the RAM. So instead of, if you don't want the standard 4 gigs of RAM, you can upgrade to 8 gigs of RAM. If you would like to upgrade to a bigger monitor, we've gone from our standard 22-inch to an upgraded monitor of 24 inches. So that gives you a little more room to work with any Arise clients that have quite a few programs for you to pull up. You can even upgrade to a dual monitor setup. Now, when you upgrade to a dual monitor setup, that's definitely top of the line. It's our most sold product, just because everyone wants that dual monitor setup, and it gives you full range of the screens so that you can place client programs here, there. You have to pull up certain programs, log into certain things. It definitely gives you a lot of room to play around when you have a dual monitor setup, that for sure. Now, let's say for example, you wanted something just a little bit better. Well, we've given you that option as well on wahep.com. You can actually upgrade the i5 Intel Core processor to an i7 Intel Core processor. Now, just like the Intel i5 core processor, you can even upgrade the specifications on the Intel i7. You can have that with 8 gigs, you can have dual monitor, you can have a 24-inch screen, so you can put the works on it. Right there on the website, you'll be able to see that. Now guys, we do understand that these are refurbished computers, but keep in mind that not one computer leaves here without us knowing that it is in optimal working conditions. And we stand behind our warranty. For all of you that are looking for work-at-home equipment, check out wahep.com. I'm going to put it right here for you guys. Go check us out. If you have any questions, guys, on any of our equipment, you can either reach us through wahep.com or leave me a comment in this video. I love to answer some of your comments. I answer all my comments on YouTube. If you guys want more information on what it's like to work from home or how you can get started working from home, check out andvaris.com. Definitely a lot of information on there. Follow us on social media, guys. We are everywhere on social media. Give me a like on the video if I brought you some awesome information. Smash that subscribe button, guys, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Later.